guys, today I'm going to be your English/math teacher again. You remember that? So in Unit 1, what did we study? Addition and subtraction. That's right. Do you still remember the terms that we've learned? Hopefully. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, I guess you remember everything. And then today, what are we going to have? That's right. We're going to talk about multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. All right, please prepare your pencil and your eraser right now. Okay. All right, before we go on to our lesson, today's classroom survival English is what? Look at the picture. It's the same. Of course, the setting is in the classroom. So there is the teacher over here. There are 4 students, and then one girl raised her hand. Why? What did she say? The student said, I don't know how to explain this. Say it again, guys. I don't know how to explain this. One more time. I don't know how to explain this. Okay, so what did the teacher say? That's okay. That's okay. Just try your best. Just try your best. All right, when does this situation happen? Right, if we are doing or we are solving math problems, sometimes we don't know how to explain it, okay? Or sometimes if the topic is very difficult, we don't know how to answer it, we say, teacher, I don't know how to explain this, okay? Next time this situation ever happens to you guys, don't say, Rayanne teacher, okay? Don't do that. Use this expression and tell me, Rayanne teacher, I don't know how to explain this. Can you help me? And then what will Rayanne teacher say? That's okay. Just try your best. That's okay. Just try your best. All right. Okay, now, finally, let's move on to our lesson. Today's topic. Let's read this together, guys. Repeat after me. Even if you are at home, I hope that you will really repeat after me, okay? Because it's important that you practice your speaking skills wherever you are, in the classroom or even at home. Speak English. Okay, let's start. We are going to learn how to solve multiplication and division problems today. We are going to learn how to solve multiplication and division problems today. In this lesson, we need to remember some expressions such as in all or equally that gives us clues to decide whether to multiply or divide. Right. Guys, what is multiplication? Alright, so this is the symbol for multiplication. So we say, for example, 1 times 2. 1 times 2, or 1 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is multiplication. Or we say multiply. Or we also use times. And division. Say it again, guys. Division. One more time. Division. That is right. What is division? This is the symbol for division. Okay, we say division or divided by. Divided by. One more time. Divided by. That is right. So here, we need to remember some expressions. What are those expressions? In all and equally. Take a guess, guys. When do we use this expression in all? During division or during multiplication? Right. We use in all during multiplication. And this one, equally, when do we use equally? Of course, during division, all right? Say it again, in all. Equally. Equally. That's right. So if you guys learn how to use these terms, this will be your clues to decide. What is decide again? Okay, to choose this or that, okay? That is to decide whether to multiply or divide. All right, now, the word bank, all right? Here in the word bank, are you guys following me? Okay, that's at the bottom of page 127. All right, here there are, what do you call this again? Do you remember? Very good. We call them equation. Okay, so these are all equations in numbers. Of course, in math, you see only numbers, but this is English class, so you will see that is right, words, all right? So, for example, number 1, 3 times, because it's an x. 3 times 11 is 33. Okay, write your answers here. 33. I know you would say, teacher, why do we have to write the words? We can just use these numbers. Again, this is English class, not math class, all right? And also, you have to learn how to write the correct spelling for these words because until now, some students still forget the proper spelling. And also, this is speaking, all right? If you just see these numbers and you don't know how to read them or you don't know how to say them in English, it's just useless. That is why we are learning how to write them in English and how to say them in English, okay? All right, next number, 42 divided by, that is right, 21. Check your spelling, guys. 42 divided by 21 is 2. Okay, how about for this one? 72. 72 divided by 9 is 8. Good. I'm not going to write the answers here anymore, but I hope that you are writing your answers right now, even if you're at home. All right, how about here? What is this number? 66 divided by 11 times 7 is 42. That's right. How about here? 12 times 3 divided by 2 is 54. That's right. Next, 50 times 2 divided by 5 times 4 is 80. All right. Now listen, this is just the practice, okay? This is just the beginning, all right? It's gonna get harder from now. Okay, move on to page 128. Okay, so the words that we're gonna use here will also be helpful, okay? Helpful when you answer worded problems. Look at the picture. Match each picture with the sentence. Match each picture with the sentence. Let's look at number 1. Can you guys see it clearly? Okay. What is she doing? That's right. She is Lily, and you can say Lily eats salad every morning. Lily eats salad every morning. This word eats is highlighted or underlined with an S here to represent present tense. Usually when we have worded problems, we use present tense. Also past tense, but we will see later when do we use the past tense and the present tense during math problems, okay? Number 2, what is that? Right, Mike puts 4 pencils in each pencil case. Mike puts 4 pencils in each pencil case, also in present tense. Next, number 3, what is that? Dad divides the bread equally into 3 pieces. Dad divides the bread equally into 3 pieces. Dad divides the bread equally into 3 pieces. Next, number 4, what is that? Nadia takes 2 books from the shelf. Nadia takes 2 books from the shelf. This one. And the last one is, of course, Kate and Max share candies equally. Are you guys all correct? So why we do this exercise? It's for you to learn how to use these words: put, divide, equally, and then take like this. All right? Now, this is your task. Let's go to page 129. All right, now what is the task? We are going to learn how to solve multiplication and division problems. Here is how. Complete each equation and write the answer. Let's look at the first problem. All right, multiply to find the total. So the first part is only multiplication, all right? Look at the picture. What do you see here in the picture? There are, yes, octopus. Okay, let's read the problems together. Let's read together, guys. Ready? There are 7 octopuses in the water. Each octopus has 8 arms. How many arms do the 7 octopuses have in total? So your hint is in total, right? This one. Okay, let's write the equation first. 7 times, there are 7 octopuses, so there is 7 here. Each octopus has 8, that's good. Each octopus has 8 arms, then 7 times 8 is, of course, it's 56, right? 56. So what is your answer? 7 octopuses have 56 arms in total. 7 octopuses have 56 arms in total, like this, okay? How about number 2? Let's read together. Kelly makes 7 bracelets. It's the same, so I'm gonna write the number right now, 7. Each bracelet has 8 stars. 8 stars. How many stars does Kelly have in total? 7 times 8 is also 56. Okay, so you can write here your answer. Kelly has 56 stars in total. Is it easy or hard? Okay. Now listen, guys, this is only for multiplication. The next is division. Divide to find equal shares. Divide to find equal shares. Look at the story. What is the first story? Let's read together. There are 56 cookies on the plate. 7 children share them equally. How many cookies does each child get? All right, same. 56 divided by, what did we say? How many children? 7 children. 56 divided by 7 is 8. So each child gets 8 cookies. Right here, 8. So easy? Okay, how about here? Frank, let's read together, guys. Frank has 56 cherries. I'm gonna write the equation here right now, 56. He wants to divide the cherries equally. So, he has 7 jars. How many cherries can Frank put on each jar? 56 divided by, how many jars? 7 is, of course, 8. And then you write here, Frank can put 8 cherries in each jar. Okay, Frank can put 8 cherries in each jar. Okay, how was that practice, guys? So far, so good? All right, now let's go to use them all. Okay, what is your task here? Read and solve the problems. This time, you're gonna do it by yourself, okay? But I'll be helping you out. But first, try to solve them yourselves. What is the most important thing to do here, guys? Read the questions slowly, okay? So that you can understand them. Read and understand so that you can put the right numbers here. Okay, let's start with number 1. There are 27 pencils in the pencil case. 27. 9 students want to share them equally. 9. Equally. How many pencils does each student get? 27. Because we say equally, definitely it is division. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So this is your equation. 27 divided by 9 is 3. Okay, what is the answer? Each student gets 3 pencils. Okay, how about for question number 2? All right, do it first and then we will answer it together. Right now, do it. Okay. I guess you're ready. Let's start. Mom puts 8 plates of donuts. I'll write here now, 8. Mom puts 8 plates of donuts on the table. There are 6 donuts. It's already here. There are 6 donuts on each plate. How many donuts are there in total? In total, so it is multiplication or division? Multiplication. So 8 times 6 is, what's the answer? Good job. Okay, 8 times 6 is 48. So to write your complete sentence, there are 48 donuts in total. Okay, there are 48 donuts in total. Okay. Are you done? Listen guys, for numbers 3, 4, 5, and 6, it's self-study. Alright? Do it by yourself. Okay, I want you guys to analyze the questions very well, and then we will check your answers together next time. Okay, now if you're done with that, let's go now to the next part. Okay, if writing and speaking are important, this part is also important, listening. Okay, this part, let's do this together. I hope your pencils are ready. Listen and complete the equations. So I'm going to tell you the equation right now and we will also check it right away. Okay, let's start with number 1. 4, listen carefully. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 8 is 32. Finished? Okay, what did I say? 4 times 8 is 32. Are you guys correct? All right, next, number 2. 3 times 13 is 39. 3 times 13 is 39. Finished? 3 times 13 is 39. Very good. Next, number 3. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Next, number 4. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 3 is 21. Next, number 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 35. Are you guys correct? And for the last number, 48 divided by 8 is 6. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Are you guys all correct? If you're all correct, then let's read this together. Ready? Start. 4 times 8 is 32. 3 times 13 is 39. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 7 times 3 is 21. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 48 divided by 8 is 6. Good job! Okay, so that is for the listening part. Now, this is your final task for today. What is it? All right, this is your project. What is your project, guys? Okay, I'm going to tell you right now. Let's write math stories. Yay! Not yay? Okay. Don't forget to use in total or in all. For multiplication and division problems, use this equation. You don't have to make your problems very hard. You can use simple words, you can use easy examples. All right, let's take for example letter A, 4 times 16. Okay, so what do you do here? 4 times 16, write the correct answer, and then make a simple math story. So for example, mom buys 4 bars of chocolates. Yeah, mom buys 4 bars of chocolates. But mom wants to make your story like that. So anything that will be multiplied to 16, what can we do with that? Okay, mom buys 4 bars of chocolates, but she wants to give it to 16 people or to 16 children. What is the correct answer? How many are they in total? Just like that, okay? Just easy problems. And I will check your sentences next time. Now listen guys, when you write your answer here, also write the equation and write the correct answer. There are blank in total, or there are blank equally, or in all, like that, all right? So you have to make at least 3 math stories. I hope that's okay. After you do this, please also do your workbook, all right? It's the same. In your workbook, you have to answer some math problems and write the correct equation. I hope that's fine. And thank you guys for listening to this class today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!